Breaking hot off the press, Democrat Senator Mark Kelly faces court-martial after Department of War launches review of allegations of misconduct. This is the official statement. The Department of War has received serious allegations of misconduct against Captain Mark Kelly, U.S. Navy retired, in accordance with the Uniform Code of Military Justice 10 U.S. Code 688 and other applicable regulations. A thorough review of these allegations has been initiated to determine further actions, which may include recall to active duty for court-martial proceedings or administrative measures. This matter will be handled in compliance with military law, ensuring due process and impartiality. Further official comments will be limited to preserve the integrity of the proceedings. The Department of War reminds all individuals that military retirees remain subject to the UCMJ for applicable offenses and federal laws, such as 18 U.S. Code 2387 prohibit actions intended to interfere with the loyalty, morale, or good order and discipline of the armed forces. Any violations will be addressed through appropriate legal channels. All service members are reminded that they have a legal obligation under the UCMJ to obey lawful orders and that orders are presumed to be lawful. A service member's personal philosophy does not justify or excuse the disobedience of an otherwise lawful order. So Pete Hegseth, the Department of War, is getting the job done. This is absolutely mind-bending what we're witnessing here. A sitting U.S. senator potentially being court-martialed, being brought out of retirement to face a serious judicial process under the Uniform Code of Military Justice. This is not like cosplay. This is not a slap on the wrist. This is not a strongly worded letter from Jim Jordan. If this investigation leads to finding that Mark Kelly commit a crime, he will be brought before a military judge, a panel of military officers, potentially stripped of his rank, and thrown in prison. And this is a completely different judicial process than what we're familiar with. The military judges aren't appointed by the president. They're not confirmed by the Senate. They're supposed to be completely unbiased and nonpartisan, and their only duty is to uphold the ethics of the military, bound to the UCMJ, not partisan politics. So this is absolutely mind-bending what we're witnessing right now, or could witness, I should say, because I don't want to get too hyperbolic. Right now, it's an investigation. We don't know where this is going to lead. But man, just the spectacle of it, the fact that we have a sitting U.S. senator potentially being court-martialed for sedition is absolutely groundbreaking.